ukuthi leli phepha lithi ucela nekukhuluma. Ngibonile lo lithi uxolisa kufika late. Ngilibonile Mhlonishwa. Anyway ngena Mhlonishwa Mayiwane.
Cha speaker singisi speaker na ungalifundisa lekugcineni. Siyabonga speaker ngicela kwami kuncane speaker.
Mhlonishwa Mayiwane. Udazoka lithola lelithuba. Azokhuluma lokunye ngikwendela lithuba ngikwendela umusa ukuthi ufike late ngiyakunika ukuthi ukhulume uyamosha wena nya Mhlonishwa Mayiwane.
Ayibe ncane honorable speaker ngiyabonga speaker mhlambe kimi ngaba tindzaba letimbili ku honorable chair kwecala endzabeni ye private jet kuthi prime minister wasuka nge private jet yasoma business wetala eSwatini uacknowledgeile prime minister lenza ukuthi vele ukwendile which is not a issue of good governance leyo manje ke licommittee selimam on the issue alisasho ukuthi njoba sa admit lethu vele ukwendile lokho lithini lo committee selibinzeli sedu for information nje ku chair mina ngakhuluma ngendzaba la parliament abo wathi chair ukuthi ayisungisiwe senginako konke and akacala prime minister khamba nge private jet usukwena seLesotho wetala Swati nge private jet sekayamjwayela ama private jet so ke lelitiko le portfolio ayingabi mam about this issue of serious issue of governance ku wrong lokho alingabinzi I portfolio about this thing because ku wrong that is number 1.
Asi Mhlonishwa Mayiwane Mhlonishwa Chair Mhlonishwa Mthongwane.
Ngiyabonga honorable chair umhlonishwa Mayiwane Mhlonishwa honorable chair honorable speaker ukuflow akasiphe I recommendation ngicela lokho nje angabe solo naba ne recommendation akayi propose siya accept noma cha njoba bento abahlonishwa labanye thank you.
Sibonga Mhlonishwa wasemthongwaneni Mhlonishwa wasemayiwane ngethemba umvile chair.
Ngiyabonga chair the finding is the prime minister did use a private jet for a special business man then the recommendation is prime minister akakuyekela ngakuphinza akuyekele uthi 4 kuphele nyalo ukuthi ahambe ngeprivate jet yemuntu akube lapha kuma recommendations number 1 chair siya ukufake la kuma recommendation angaphinzi because sekuyamjwayela. Number 2 speak ngikhulume ngeissue ye problem lekhona in the police stations ngase ngibekisa ngaphi speak police station ngiyajabula ukuthi licommittee li recommendile ukuthi ayihambe iportfolio iyo checka le I like that recommendation manje ikhuluma ngekuthi with the NATCOM manje ke mina ngiworried because nangithi mina the executive ya NATCOM ilakhathi lokuganga I know what I'm talking about ngithi ke mina recommendation yami speak.
Asi Mhlonishwa wasemayiwane Mhlonishwa wasemthongwaneni.
Ngiyabonga honorable chair honorable speaker I take it to umhlonishwa uThanza kufika the same recommendation sit for umhlonishwa eThenkundla angathi sesiyayiphinza yini are we allowed to do that thank you so much.
Cha Mhlonishwa wasemthongwaneni umhlonishwa nakudebatewa una angayiphinza indzaba lekhulunywa kulomhlonishwa loya naloya ayiphinze there is nothing wrong with that as long as kuyi recommendation yakhe Mhlonishwa DS.
Siyabonga honorable speaker kucondzisa nje kushaman wami le ngomkhondile shaman itawugcina kuye lendzaba yena kwakhe nje kubhala phansi utawu respond ekugcineni angaba kuphazamise emalunga asa debate that is the procedure yendlu.
Sibonge Mhlonishwa Deputy Speaker ngiyambona ukuthi advice taken Mhlonishwa Mayiwane.
Ngiyabonga speaker ngikhulume letinye ngidawugcina ngalethi ungajaki chair speaker kube beyithi le recommendation akuye NATCOM yena sicu sakhe mhlambe bengathi ikahle manje ke nawuthi NATCOM uvulele uthi NATCOM can delegate iwari yami ke NATCOM tasuka delegate nangu lokungena ganga akule syndicate yale speak ikhona ula executive yakhe ula syndicate and noma ngabuka ngibani kabi I can stand for what I'm saying because I know ukuthi kuyaganga and asuse ke le recommendation ya Natcom kuhambe le portfolio committee yodwana iyophenya because once kwaya any officer liqhamuka ku Natcom number 1 lamaphoyisa ngeke azakhulume so they should be free and neutral. Natcom should just provide a venue le neutral bese leli committee lihamba liya check ngithi ngespeaker ngicela lapha nje amana ngilungisele noma ngifisa mina recommendation ithi the portfolio committee will go and investigate bese baletha i-report with recommendations basuse Natcom because now it's Natcom ufana le office tawuphindze kucumukele kwanze lokuganga lokukhona la emaphoyiseni kukhona speaker I'm telling you kukhona and I will not talk about something lenga kukhona speak kuyendeka and it's killing the country kuyendeka speaker so le recommendation le ayibe strong ahambe umhlonishwa wami Dokis nelibandla lakhe bayosebenza ababuyisa i-report ngiyabonga speaker bekulowo ngitu
Sibonge Mhlonishwa waseMaiwan. Back to you Mhlonishwa Muva, Mhlonishwa waseMthongwaneni.
Honorable Speaker, ngiyasebenza eredweni. Ngibithi ibhola. Bothi la isomdlalo so uthi bese ngiyasho.